In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Cloud account, and I'll guide you step by step through the process of getting started with Google Cloud Platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a Google account to begin. If you already have a Gmail account, you're all set for this part. Otherwise, head over to google.com to register for one. It's a quick and straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to set up your account, including your email and password. A Google account is crucial because it acts as your gateway to all of Google's services, including Google Cloud. Once you've signed into your Google account, the next step is to access the Google Cloud Console. Open your web browser and type in console.cloud.google.com. This is where all the magic happens. The Cloud Console is the hub of your Google Cloud activities, where you'll manage projects, APIs, and other resources. In the Cloud Console, you should see an option to Get Started for Free or Try Free. Click on that, and you will be guided through the setup process for your Google Cloud account. Google offers a generous free tier, which includes $300 in free credit for new users. This credit allows you to explore and experiment with the platform without incurring any charges, providing a risk-free way to check out GCP's capabilities. You'll be prompted to enter your personal or company information during the setup. Google requires this info to authenticate your account and to better tailor their services to meet your needs. Part of this process involves adding a valid payment method, such as a credit card or debit card. This is necessary for identity verification purposes. Don't worry though, Google won't charge you without your permission unless you choose to upgrade your account or exceed the free tier limits. After entering your details and agreeing to Google's terms, you're all set to take advantage of the free trial offer. Once again, this typically includes $300 in free credits, which is a generous allowance for you to explore Google Cloud Platform's features. Next up, you might need to verify or confirm your account. Google may send you a verification email or place a small temporary authorization hold on your card. These steps are just to confirm your identity and ensure the security of your account. With everything set up and verified, you are now ready to start using Google Cloud. You can create your very first project, enable the necessary APIs, or deploy a virtual machine. Thanks to the free credits, this exploration phase can be done without any upfront financial commitment, allowing you to learn and grow as you become more familiar with the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Google Cloud account and are ready to explore the robust suite of services Google Cloud has to offer. Enjoy your journey into the cloud. There's a lot to discover and even more to build. Be sure to check out other resources and documentation that Google provides to help you on this path. Happy cloud computing!